megalayapost.news
Kanong po Town Shopping Complex, kalapo dagi jing siya balapan itinan rengkat kajing sedang berpelirin ti ya kidukan bat menta kasengi kelanang kring susu ya kipadpa da kajing sedang ya ke Christmas Shopping Carnival balapan long hanong po Town Shopping Complex harengkat kajing trelang bat kaji NC Store bat ke Friends of Women's Wall Banking. Kani kayaw kani kumasan sengi lenter bala sedang nadu menta kasengi hadu ka arpo tarik balawan ru ban peli padpa ya ka da ka kongrona kemdan MDC kanong po hakajing don lang Abilash Baronwal Deputy Commissioner Kariboy kakong Birani ADC Riboy ka marang Assistant Commissioner Bat Kuwei Kiwei. Lengba kani kayo Christmas Shopping Carnival kajing tumu kalong ban kring ikipajba banrung sa katiga complex par ban ayman CM ro ikinong syong dukan bakin pliti kna ikidukan jong kiman la kasngi.
For example, when children are small, they cling to their parents. But when children become independent, they do not want to be seen with their parents, right? Because it ashames them. They feel embarrassed. So similarly, we can today say that Nagpur Town Shopping Complex Owners Association, they have become independent. Because, madam, for last 1.5 years, they have been clinging to us, to the administration, that please do this for us, please do that for us. But today, in this program, as you can see, there is nobody from the association. So it only goes on to show that the association has become independent, and it's a proud day for us, isn't it? And so I request my ADC that we will withdraw ourselves to mostly administrative and regulatory matters, and things like carnivals and all from next time will have to be organized by the association themselves. So administration will not step in, especially given the fact that today hardly there is anyone from the association, and clearly they are hardly taking any interest in today's function. So, I mean, I see it in a positive light that they have become independent. They feel confident enough that they do not need administrative support, they do not need community leadership support for functions like these. But then today is an auspicious day, and I congratulate my ADC, her team, for successfully organizing this carnival yet again, and I hope that with your support, madam, with your guidance and with everyone's blessing, this Christmas carnival will be bigger than the last two carnivals as well, and not only the shopkeepers will have a great time in showcasing their products and selling their products and making a good income from this carnival, but the shoppers themselves will have infinite choices, and they can really enjoy this carnival. They can enjoy the dancing competition, the products displayed here, and I hope that most of the Christmas shopping that people are going to do from at least Nagpur and surrounding areas, at least a major portion of that revenue comes to the shopping complex shops.
Jogi edisi jogi ikon palangan tirani kapno wilayah rakyat ni dia sungguhnya hakasian kepada kong yang kebangawan ane ngaso kena cikun edisi di lawan ba ngedang shu ya kecil nak jogi inom wan shu ane pabila lah kalian lagi jogi bicara mereka kalian kejongan nampak bagi mereka yang nampak dia dalam pada kecil ke jogi nampak dia dalam nak Porsche ke Porsche rendah tapi kita lihat pada penghaya dan yang yo kejongi. Nah, senutunan sikate kita ipin kita discuss aswa sedang dengan program bagani nanompo shopping complex kejongi kakam kita nak buka pada kamuda complex kepada Pak Silong. Pimenju dia kata dan menuju. Nah, semua pilawak bandi kita wanita dia lawak yang cekik dia Christmas ngau lawak kami pantai sakit dia ayu bapindi dengan kasihan kebamekan. Namun Islam sasisian pak na ay kecil tublay ya tim ni berokaway ya ini iba dan iba ya collaborate lang dan opo Town Shopping Complex sama SM mengenai World Banking ni yang ya ram na pendaki long ni kijogi bagi dia by step by dan bagi akan yang halal kijogi jam. Dan kalian kacona sasisian pak na ay tublay di program ya di nong shopping lang ya di nong one team Pak Kuncuru yang baru dibayarkan tentang hanya nomor shopping kanima, maka dia yang kanima kecuali kalau kapabaro ni yang lang ni yang kunen lang dan mereka yo kapa sisim lai penai dan sisim saunai dan kemudian panggil non-stop kan ni bila apa yang mulai jom hijab nang orang nanti kan laisin lah dan perlu yang kasau sih nak sistem lu nak pakai kaji mentoy yang di nongsong yo di jodi yang di try kan di bawah legislator menteri-menteri ibu yang penuandu yang ada ke shopping complex kasokan kalau ada hasil ketika ada nikah dan dia building ingin nomor ya kan ingin utilize ya kan kagum kompeten
MegaLayaPost.news